Hey guys, my name is Tessa. In case you've never seen my face, hello, it is nice to meet you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a full body gym workout. Super simple. It's going to help tone up the body, strengthen, create that lean, toned dancer-like body, but it's going to be in the gym. So we're going to be lifting some weights, getting some new movements in, but nothing is going to bulk. It's going to be awesome. 5 exercises. We're going to do each exercise for 1 minute, and we're going to do the circuit 3 times. So without further ado, guys, let's do this. And that is it, guys. Super simple. It's a killer one. I definitely recommend trying it. Please support me on all my social media and all that good stuff. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that fun stuff. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.